Do you want to sound smarter, richer, and more sophisticated in English? In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you 15 powerful words that instantly upgrade your vocabulary and make you stand out. We all use simple words every day, words like good, bad, smart, busy. But did you know you can replace them with advanced, classy words that make your English sound professional and impressive? Okay, so let's jump to the video and learn something new. Our first word is wealthy. Repeat after me. Wealthy. That's mean affluent. Instead of saying wealthy, say affluent. Example, she comes from an affluent family. Okay, our next word is smart. Means cerebral. Cerebral means highly intelligent and thoughtful. Example, he enjoys cerebral discussions about philosophy. 3. Beautiful. Exquisite. Exquisite doesn't just mean beautiful, it's perfect and elegant. She wore an exquisite dress. 4. Funny. Witty. Witty is smart humor. Example, his witty remarks always make people laugh. 5. Busy. Prolific. Prolific means producing a lot of work, not just busy. She is a prolific writer with 5 novels. 6. Important. Paramount. Paramount means extremely important. Example, education is of paramount importance. 7. Old. Vintage. Vintage is classic and valuable because it's old. He drives a vintage car. 8. Strong. Stalwart. Stalwart describes someone dependable and strong. He is a stalwart supporter of the team. 9. Clean. Immaculate. Immaculate means perfectly clean or flawless. Her kitchen is immaculate. 10. Interesting. Captivating. Captivating grabs attention completely. The movie was captivating from start to finish. 11. Easy. Effortless. Effortless is more elegant than easy. She solved the problem effortlessly. 12. Good. Superb. Superb is excellent. He gave a superb performance. 13. Bad. Deplorable. Deplorable is strong and negative. The service at the restaurant was deplorable. 14. Agitate. Means stir up or upset. Use agitate for emotions or situations. The news agitated the crowd. 15. Assert. Means state strongly. She asserted her opinion in the meeting. Let's quickly review the first 5 advanced words. Affluent. 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 Cerebral. 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 Exquisite. 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 Witty. 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 Prolific. 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 Try using them in a sentence right now. Pause the video if you need. If you learned something new today, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next English upgrade video. Comment below, which word are you going to use first?